Okay, friends, we'll be talking about perimeter and area for this week. Remember, perimeter, and we'll be talking about quadrilaterals. Quad meaning four. It's more specifically within the quadrilateral family. We'll be either dealing with rectangles or squares. But remember, perimeter. So I think about the perimeter. The perimeter is the distance around the outside. So if I told you this was 2 by 5, well, this side is 2, this side is 2, if this side is 5, this side is 5. So the perimeter of this object would be 14 units. The area, well, the area is the number of square units. So think about the number of square units. So if this is 2 squares by 5 squares, or 2 times 5, the area is 10, and it'd be units squared. So again, remember to tell yourself, perimeter is the distance, the linear measurement on the outside. Area is the number of square units inside your shape, and we will be focused on quadrilaterals. So, what's kind of cool is, imagine if somebody told you you had a perimeter of 12. What could its area be? Well, let's think about this for a second. Perimeter of 12. So we could have a shape that's 1 by 5, because 1 by 5 would give us a perimeter of 12. We also could have a shape, it's 2 by 4, that also gives us a perimeter of 12. We also could have a shape, which would be a square, which is 3 by 3. So again, for a perimeter of 12, the areas could be, well, this one has an area of 9, because 3 times 3 is 9. This one has an area of 8. This one has an area of 5. So, when you work on these problems, remember, perimeter is the distance on the outside, area is the number of square units on the inside, and remember the two different ways they can relate to each other. Another way to think about it is, what if somebody said, well, I'm going to give you the area, and I'm going to tell you it's 16 units squared. Sorry, that was sloppy. Well, think about area. So we could have a shape that's 1 by 16. That'd be area, but now the perimeter of that would be what? 34. Right? Or you could have a shape that's 2 by 8. That area is also 16. Or you could have a shape that is 4 by 4, and that area is also 16. Each one of the perimeters, though, is going to be different. So look, think about the perimeter of this one. 16. Perimeter of this one is 20. Perimeter of this one is 34. So the funny thing is, the one that gives us the greatest area actually has the smallest perimeter, uses the least amount of fencing if we fenced in like a garden or something. So just think about the relationship between the two of them and have fun doing these problems.